Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. My name is Anupriya and welcome to another Nykaa haul. So Nykaa पर अभी चल रही थी उनकी pink summer sale which ended on 18th of May, and I also got like few items. So this is the huge box which I have got from Nykaa. So I thought that let me do a haul slash recommendation sort of a video for you guys, क्योंकि Nykaa पर almost हर 2 से 3 महीने पे सेल आती रहती है. So the main idea was कि let me share the list of the products, और maybe अगर आपको इन products में से कुछ भी लेना हो तो this will be a sort of a review video as well for you guys. So आप इसमें से अपना mind makeup कर सकते हो and you can keep all these products in your wish list. So I'm going to go in a very random order क्योंकि मेरे पास स्किन केयर है, मेकअप है, एक हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट है, तो मैं सब कुछ रैंडम ऑर्डर में ही दिखाऊंगी. Prices will be mentioned on the screen as well. So let's start with first product. So this is the moisturizer which I have got. I know many of you must already be loving this moisturizer. This is from the Bioderma, their Autoderm Creme Ultra. This is like the best hydrating moisturizer I have came across, because see, I have tried a lot of moisturizers considering my skin is combination. Sometimes it's behave in a normal way, sometimes it goes on the dry side. So I usually love to try all these sort of a creamy moisturizers. So I got this one as well, और इसके साथ साथ I keep on using other moisturizers as well, but this is something I really want to keep in my wardrobe. So this is the product and I absolutely love it. It has like a very creamy texture. It usually get absorbs in your skin. कुछ भी ऐसा greasy sort of finish नहीं आता है, which is really nice. So yes, this is the number one product. और इसके साथ मुझे एक छोटू सा फ्री गिफ्ट भी मिला था. नाउ दिस इज़ देयर सेबियम का जेल मूसेंट, और इस तरीके से इसकी पैकेजिंग आ जाती है. मैंने इसका एक बड़ा ट्यूब भी ट्राई करा हुआ है. इट्स सॉर्ट ऑफ अ क्लेंजिंग जेल एंड इट्स ओनली फॉर द कॉम्बिनेशन और ऑयली स्किन. सो या लेट मी ट्राई दिस वेरिएंट एज वेल. लेट मी सी कि ये कैसा काम करता है. सो येस, दीज वर टू प्रोडक्ट्स. After that I got one moisturizer again. Now this one is from the CeraVe. Now this one is their balm hydrant. It has like a very balmy texture, to be very honest, and I absolutely love it. But I'm not sure if like every skin type person will love it, although it says that it's for the dry skin people. But I feel like it's not very moisturizing, to be very honest. So this is the texture, and once it get absorbed it feels like a very balmy texture, to be very honest. So yes, this is the second thing which I wanted to try. So I got the chotu wala pack. So here it is. Now then again I got one another moisturizer. Now this one is from the Foxtail. So I have tried their purple wala version. I think that one is the illuminating moisturizer or something. Now this one is their super glow moisturizer. It has niacinamide, vitamin C and peptides, and it is for the all skin types. Now again इसका जो finish है, इसका जो texture है, it's very creamy and it gives like a very बहुत ही illuminating सा glassy finish, to be very honest, and the glow is really amazing. So this is like a very light pink in color and it melts down in your skin really fast, and it's not at all greasy, to be very honest. So yes, there's a very mild fragrance in it, although in the Bioderma one and in the CeraVe one there is no fragrance as such, but it does has, but it will not bother you actually. So yes, let me see how these two moisturizers are going to work for me. So yes, I'm really excited. So yes, these were the moisturizers basically. Then I got one perfume from Engage. I really like their packaging, to be very honest. It feels so luxurious, if you can see. So this is their Engage perfume. I had already thrown the box away because I've tried it, and I linked down the entire details and everything on the screen for you guys. So here it is. Now the next thing I have got the sunscreens. So there is this Aqualogica, which is my cult favorite. I just love the sunscreen, so I have like restocked it. It's like a very perfect glowy and dewy sort of a sunscreen. Especially it works like a magic on my skin. So I got this one, and then I got this sunscreen from Derma Co. It is their hyaluronic sunscreen stick, and this is how the packaging is. Like this, you are going to take out the product, and this has like a sort of a good finish to it. And I'm just hoping that if you'll use this on your makeup or something like that, it's not going to remove it. So let me see how this is gonna work out for me. I really wanted to get my hands on product like this because it's really convenient when you are traveling or if you're out on a beach or anything like that. So I really don't like this spray sunscreen because I feel like sometimes they get really watery or something like that, although I haven't tried one, but I really wanted to give a try to this one. Let me see how it's gonna work out. So yes, this is the next product. Then I got Plum ka niacinamide. Now this one has like a 10% niacinamide and it's like a their छोटू वाला पैकेट, और इस तरीके से इसका जो टेक्सचर आ जाता है वो मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. So this is how the product look like. It's really running and ये बहुत अच्छे से absorb हो जाता है skin में, which is really nice. And it actually helps you out to, you know, clear your skin, and it will also help you out to remove any sort of dark spots or pigmentation. It actually works really best if you use it with a good moisturizer or any essence. So yes, this is my next purchase. And then I got a few lip tints as well, like few lippies, lipsticks, whatever you want to call. So this number one is from the Earth Rhythm, and this is their pink color. I'm not sure the name because I have removed the packaging, the outer box. So this is the color. Let me show you the swatch. So this is the color. I have got it mostly for the cheek part. Let's see how it's gonna work out. So this is the next one. Then I have got this lipstick from Love Earth. It is their liquid mousse and the name is Irish Coffee. This is like a very famous shade, and it's like a perfect brown color for the Indian skin tone because it has like a very nice texture. It is matte, so I have to try it out to see that if it is, you know, drying enough or it will work around. So this is the shade. It's really nice coffee sort of a color for every like a Indian skin tone, especially it will work like a magic on brown skin. So yes, that was it. Then I got this Maybelline ka lipstick. It is in the shade burgundy blush. Again, it's a dark shade which I have got, and let me show you the swatch first. It's like a burgundy shade. It has a tint of mauve in it as well, if you can see. It's like a very beautiful shade. I got this lip gloss from Inside Cosmetics and it's in the shade of Frost, and this is how the inside packaging looks like. It's like a clear gloss. The texture, I feel like it's really nice. Let's see how it's gonna work out. I can't show you the color because it's very clear and transparent. So I got this, you know, we are seeing a lot of lip tints, lot of lippies, lip butters in the market. So I thought, why not try a very good and affordable gloss which will make the changes in the entire matte lipsticks. You can make it like a glossy and you can work around, of course. So I got this one. Let's see how it's gonna work out. And then this Smashbox ka Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. Now I got this in a mini pack, and this, the shade is here is the light medium. It gives a very natural sort of a finish. Again, it gives a very minimal coverage, but I think that will go, especially for the summers. I think it's very lightweight, just glides on your skin and feels really nice. So yes, currently I'm loving it. Maybe I'm gonna get the bigger version, but yes, this is the next one. And lastly, I got my hands on this RHE Cosmetics ka Triangle Pocket Pizza Powder Puff, and this is how it looks like. It was shown that there are going to be two, but I think I've got only one. As you can see, it's been shown on the picture as well, but nevertheless, So this is how it's gonna work. It really helps out if you are trying to apply the powder beneath your eyes. So yes, this is the last one. Let's see how it's gonna work out. So yes, this was the entire haul and these were all the products which I've got. I'll make sure that मैं सबके links description box में डाल दूँ. So yes, that was the entire haul. I hope आपको video अच्छी लगी हो. If yes, then do not forget to like this video, and also if you're new, please consider subscribing.